In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Meet events, a simple yet powerful way to organize virtual gatherings through Google Calendar or Gmail. Whether it's a work meeting, a study session, or a social event, scheduling a Google Meet video call ensures everyone is on the same page, no matter where they are in the world. Let's start by using Google Calendar, a tool many of us are already familiar with for managing our day-to-day schedules. First, open Google Calendar. This is your hub for all things scheduling related. Once you have your calendar open, look towards the top left corner and click on the button that says Create. This initiates the process of setting up a new event. Now, you'll want to fill out the essential details of your event. Enter a descriptive title that conveys the purpose of the meeting. Think of this like naming a chapter heading that makes it easy for your guests to understand at a glance what they'll be attending. Don't forget to specify the date and time to avoid any confusion about when the event will take place. Next, it's time to add your guests. Click on Add Guests, a feature that allows you to invite specific individuals to your event. Here, enter the names or email addresses of those you wish to invite. Consider this step the virtual equivalent of sending out invitations. Once you've added your guests, it's important to include the option for Google Meet video conferencing. Click on Add Google Meet video conferencing, which generates a link for your virtual gathering, ensuring that everyone can connect at the designated time. This link will be shared with your guests, allowing them to join the meeting with a simple click. After this, click Save to finalize the event details. A pop-up will prompt you to send notifications to your guests about the newly created event. Click Send to ensure they receive an email invitation, which includes the event details and Google Meet link. This ensures everyone is informed and ready to join at the appointed time. For those who frequently use Gmail, creating a Google Meet event can be even simpler. Start by opening your Gmail account. In the Meet section, typically found on your left-hand menu, click New Meeting. Here you have the option to generate a meeting link or directly send out invitations via email. By clicking Send Invite, you can easily distribute access to your meeting through a link, providing all invitees with an easy way to join. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Google Meet event. Whether you're using Google Calendar or Gmail, these tools integrate seamlessly to make your virtual meetings a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your events with greater ease and efficiency.